Hi, today I will talk about what kind of factors can influence the Formula One driver's performance, and I will focus on two parts, the age and the pit stop strategy. First, let's look at the age. The data used is from 1951 to 2020. The driver's age is calculated at a particular season by subtracting the year of birth from that year. This histogram shows that the age distribution is positively skewed, with a peak at the age of 28. Besides, the age between 25 and 35 is the most frequent age for the drivers. And this line chart shows that the average age is gradually declining. Well, take a further step to look at the age of season winners. There is an interesting finding that most drivers won the championships in their 30s. Besides, more younger drivers become the winner of the game since the average winner's age for each decade is declining. Let's see the scalar plot of position and age. The x-axis represents the position, while the direction of the x-axis indicates a better result. The graph infers that there is no strong relationship between age and position. Besides, it confirms that the age concentrates in range 20 and from 20 to 40. Most drivers within this age range probably can get better results than those out of this range. The following figure manifests that most drivers who have been on a winning streak are within the age bracket of 30 to 39, which further proves that the drivers in their 30s are more likely to outperform others. In terms of age, more younger drivers are now anticipating the Formula One competition. However, younger driver who is lower than 25 years old not always performs better than the old drivers. Also, the age ranging from 29 to 34 might be a golden time for a driver in his professional career. We can reasonably assume that if a young driver in his 20s performs relatively good, he is expected to get an outstanding performance in the short future. It is worth cultivating those youngs to set a better record on the track. Let's look at the pit stop strategy. The data used is from 2001 to 2020. The distribution of the average pit stop duration, excluding outliers, shows that most frequent period for a pit stop would be around 21 to 25 seconds. And there is another lower peak around 30. The duration for a pit stop lower than 20 or higher than 40 seconds is uncommon in a race. The distribution of total pit stop duration in a race is positively scored, with two peaks around 25 seconds and around 50 seconds. The following analysis use the podium represents a top three round result. Not podium means the result outside the top three. The box plot clearly shows that the median for podium and non-podium does not differ much, while the podium has a smaller range of average and total duration. In general, the first three positions of the round result on average spend less time in pit stops, indicating a higher pit stop efficiency. The podium group generates a lower number of stops, usually one or two stops per race. It is uncommon that the podium group makes more than 3 pit stops. You can see there is 3 outliers here. The frequency of 1 or 2 pit stops is similar according to the violin plot. The above analysis gives insights that a faster driver is more likely to have a shorter duration of the pit stops. However, the duration of pit stop is not a determinate factor that can affect the performance. An experienced driver can solve the problems and narrow the gap. It is recommended that a 1 or 2 stop strategy can be a relatively good scheme. And what the team should do is to make efforts to improve the team synergy to lift the efficiency of the pit stop crew. Thank you, that's all.